At the end of the session, she told me she felt lighter and happy. Of course, you feel happier after a good energy healing session because those blockages that are blocking the energy to flow are gone. I just saw a client who came 2 weeks ago because she had a broken heart. Today she told me that the week after this first Reiki session, she was feeling really great. All this weight was lifted from her body. She came today again, and she was a little sad to the point that she was in tears. She told me I had so much pain because I still love that man. I resort to alcohol. And I started explaining to her that when we have alcohol, actually when we are drunk, and I didn't know, she told me later on, I got drunk, we weaken our energy field, our aura. Our aura is not just a funny thing or beautiful thing to see for those who have the skill to see those beautiful colors, the energies. It's a shield, it's an energy shield against toxic energies. And she told me, after I drank alcohol, I went back to feeling bad again. And I told her, of course, my dear, when you drink alcohol, this is what happens. You weaken your energy field and you are open for toxic energies like entities to be attached to your body, and that makes you feel bad again. Sure enough, when I scanned her and I checked with my pendulum, she had an entity right here. Not here like the first time, that usually entities goes to the hara. It's a powerful center of energy, but she had it here. Why entities attached to our chakras? Because they are intelligent form of energy, and they need energy to live. In the same way that we eat and we need energy also to live, they just need energy. When I had my hand here, after 6 minutes, I felt that the entity was going out. How do you feel it? Because you feel a movement that cannot be done with the muscles. It was like a long thing this size going through my hand. And she told me also that she felt energy moving here. Probably there was something else. The first place that I sensed she had a need for healing was here. That energy blockage on her stomach, or the second chakra, or the hara, was removed too. At the end of the session, she told me she felt lighter and happy. Of course, you feel happier after a good energy healing session, because those blockages that are blocking the energy to flow are gone. And she told me that she felt like a floating. She told me my pants felt like I wasn't touching my pants. She was wearing pants. So this floating sensation means that an energy blockage that was meant to be active later was lifted. It's a way of the soul to celebrate that. Energy blockages are not meant to be active all at the same time. That's why when you feel this floating sensation during an energy healing session, whether it's hands-on or distance, that blockage, that energy blockage that was supposed to be active later on in your life by causing you sickness or an accident is out of your way. The purpose of energy blockages is to get stronger and stronger. How? By making you feel sad, depressed, angry, making you drink or watch pornography or do drugs. They get stronger, and then they are so strong, it's like a snowball, they burst, and you have a sickness or an accident. If those energy blockages are kept for a long period of time, you may have a chronic disease. It could be cancer, it could be Alzheimer, it could be any chronic disease that doctors cannot put a finger on. That means they don't know what is the cause, they don't know how to solve it, how to cure it. That's why you need to seek for healing in the energy realm when you have a physical problem, an emotional problem, chronic fatigue, or just fatigue and you don't feel like yourself, and nothing else can help you. Because the solution is on the energetic realm. That's the work that I do. That's the work of energy healing. If you have any question, write it down in the box below, in the comments. I answer them all. If you have a specific topic you want me to talk about, also do that, or send me an email and I will answer you. I answer everything. And please subscribe to my channel, because I have some very interesting videos that I'm holding. They are going to be mind-blowing. I see you soon.